Sughd Free Economic Zone has allowed us to produce unique products. Custom and tax privileges promoted the increase in the volume of production and the export potential of our company. Our aim is to be one of the best manufacturers of paints and varnish products in Tajikistan. Being placed in free economic zone allows us to deeply localize the business and produce higher quality products. Our college and Sughd Free Economic Zone is a place where you can get a technical education and professional experience. Owing to advantageous economic conditions within Sughd Free Economic Zone, we produce higher quality products under the national brand Manzi. In Sughd Free Economic Zone, we produce high quality and competitive products. Our company successfully fulfills a government's program on import substitution as a result of preferences and special conditions in Sughd Free Economic Zone. In addition to beneficial geographic location, attractive investment factors are tax and customs preferences provided by Sughd Free Economic Zone for its subjects. Out of 10 types of taxes of Republic of Tajikistan, the subject of Sughd Free Economic Zone pay only 2 of them, income tax and social tax. Goods placed on the area of Sughd Free Economic Zone are considered as being outside the customs territory of Tajikistan that's allowed to import goods from abroad without paying an import duty and value-added tax. Exporting goods from the territory of the Free Economic Zone outside the Republic of Tajikistan are not charged with taxes and customs duties. When goods are exported from territory of the Free Economic Zone to the territory of the Republic of Tajikistan, only the value-added tax is paid by customer.